I have a bunch of rose bushes where the leaves have black spots on them. Then the leaves all fall off. What do you think is causing this? The roses still bloom but do not have any leaves. And this is Kenneth in Millington, Tennessee. Mr. Kenneth, we have our rose expert here today. So black spots, we hear that a lot. What is that?
Black spot is just a fungus,
Yep.
and that's the main culprit for roses. You get a black spot on it, then the leaf will start yellowing. Once it's infected, you might as well pull the leaf off because it's going to rosy yellow. Then the leaf will fall off. You want to blow those out from under it. Spray a fungicide, and then just wait and shoot. And they'll leaf back up. They just go dormant. They'll leaf back up, and then they'll start again.
Yeah, you said the right thing. So you have to practice good sanitation. You got to get those leaves up. But yeah, anytime you have warm weather, rainfall, and high humidity, you're going to have black spots.
You're going to have black spots. It's just,
You're going to have black
whether
spots.
it's knockouts or a hybrid tea rose. Knockouts, they're more resistant, but they still get it.
Right.
But a hybrid tea rose, if it gets it bad, the next thing it's just, it's a naked bush.
Right.
And you'll still get blooms.
Yeah, you still get blooms. It'll weaken the plant, but not kill it.
Yes,
right.
That's true.
Right, but you'll still get the blooms. And then, of course, resistant varieties if you want to try some of those. But the most, for the most part, people want to use a fungicide. I mean, you can, but it's going to be a lot of spraying. You have to read and follow the label on those.
And just take your blower if you got a lot of that, same in the fall or the spring, is just take your blower and get rid of that. Blow that out from under your bush and haul it off to the garbage can because that's just, the spores are just sitting there.
Yeah, right. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.